Right, we're here now in the Ladol boat garage. We have the dentist. What's your name, Mr. Dentist? What's your name?
Ronaldo Joe.
Ronaldo Joe is the dentist. He's taking the teeth out of this boat. And there's another boat there. They're working on the engine.
Yeah, I'm working about this boat.
Yeah, how old is this boat?
What you this?
How old is the boat? I think this is the boat that Lapu Lapu was riding around in, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're going to be famous. Oh, hello, we've got two young... What is that? What are you playing with there? A top, spinning top. Ladol is a very nice place. The people are very friendly. And they give me lots of money.
Very friendly people, Joe.
Yes, my name's... How do you know my name's Joe? Someone told me your name is Susan. Is that right?
Susan.
Is your name Susan?
Susan.
My name is Sue. How do you do? Johnny Cash. So how long have you been building boats, repairing boats? All your life? You're a carpenter?
Yeah, I'm a bit
If I was a carpenter and you were my lady, would you marry me anyway? Would you be my baby?
a very nice song, Joe.
Well, my name is not Joe. Everyone calling me Joe, 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 Joe. When people call me Joe, if it's a man, I call him Janet. He said, oh, I'm not a girl. I said, I'm not Joe. These boats are used normally to go out to the big fishing boats, called a pump boat. And they're very happy people here. Ah, look at all the happy, lonely people, no. Hello, we've got, this is the chief engineer who's making a piece of metal. Are you Lapu Lapu? Okay, I'm Magellan.
You build a boat?
Sorry?
You build a boat like this?
I build a bike. I like to go on the sea. It's very nice. I've been out in one of these pump boats here. One of the captains took me out. It's very nice. I want to go to Indonesia. I want to go to Indonesia. But the immigration people won't let me go. Can't get... Lapu, Lapu, Lapu. And now we have the chief engineer of the Titanic. This is Titanic. So, how big is this engine? What is the size of this engine? Joe, Joe, Joe.
Hey.
See, I call you Joe. What size is this engine?
Joe.
He's Jojo. This is a pump motor actually.
Machine.
It's pump.
Honda.
Honda. Oh, arigato.
Arigato.
So it has a pump engine in it, which just turns the shaft. It's as simple as that. The advantage of it is it doesn't need cooling, it's air-cooled. So they're very popular here. Anyway, that's enough from the workshops of the Titanic. Thank you, gentlemen.
Titanic.
Maraming salamat. And you say walang anyuman, and then I turn the film off.